technology is finally bridging the gap between various segments of the society. We do believe that the information divide or the knowledge divide or the consumption divide that probably existed or still exists in some shape and form is very rapidly blurring because of technology. And technology has lended itself now to digital platforms, even though it also appears that there is no one clear definition of digital. You know, everyone has their own interpretation of digital, and digital is, you know, in a very broad sense, anything which is not physical is perhaps digital. So specific to banking, and all of us here are consumers of banking services, you know, about 10 to 15 years ago, technology was meant to solve the problem of banking operations. You know, how to automate banking operations, how to make technology convenient to use from a day-to-day banking operations point of view. And that is where a lot of emphasis was on things like core banking, ATMs, internet banking, all of that. And these largely got introduced as alternate channels. Over a period of time, and perhaps in the last 5 to 7 years, we would like to believe, and at least our numbers show that very clearly, is that these alternate channels are now the core channels, because bulk of the transactions now flow through these channels, and these channels have therefore morphed into becoming full-fledged platforms. And that is where perhaps the you know, the confluence of what we see in digital today, which is a lot spoken about from mobile devices, applications, you know, examples like how easy it is to use a Facebook or a Flipkart app on a mobile device, etc. Those kind of things are becoming a reality even in financial services, and more so perhaps in banking, because banking by design offers many different kinds of products. The other thing that we notice is that consumers are fairly well informed now, and there is a very clear phenomena of research online and buy offline, which have been happening for a long period of time now. However, like Mr. Bagchi also said, that the offline and the online worlds are coexisting today. We are also seeing very clearly that customers are actually moving from one world to the other and coming back to the place where they find the most comfort, and you know, where they are fairly happy with dealing with those kind of channels. So my only take on this, Narayan, would be that yes, technology is there for all of us to consume. What we make out of technology, how we interpret it, how we keep the customer in the center of all of this, trying to build solutions and deliver them in a transparent, convenient manner, is really the whole game in the next few years to come.